Hello, how is everybody doing? It's Mother Ego here. I hope you're doing well. So this morning I was thinking about believing in miracles. With everything going on, it's so easy to be discouraged, and when you add all the pieces together, you look at your life, you look at maybe the life of the people around you, you see what's on social media, the fear and anxiety will literally increase because trying to figure out what the future holds for us is a little tricky. But what gave me hope was if we remember to believe in miracles, to remember that there is always a new direction to go to. There is always that insight that you get that everything will be fine. Then it will be a new kind of normal, but it will be a good kind of normal. Change doesn't mean that everything gets messed up, but change may mean destroying the structures that are old, the structures that don't work, that can't cope with the new change, in order to rebuild something new. So keep the hope alive that as you believe in the miracles that will come your way, they may look different. It will be something new because we've not been here as a global entity. We haven't. This is purely new for everybody, from the little ones, the children, to the adults, to the communities as a whole, to the global, on the global scale. Everything is new and different. So keep the hope alive. Go back to the drawing board. Go back to the basics. Start with things things that you're familiar with. Family, friends, love, peace, giving, sharing, expressing your gift. Start from there, then start building anew with the new tools we are going to get, the new parts that are going to avail themselves. So believe in miracles, and always, this is Mother Ego. Keep the hope alive. We are going somewhere, and the future is brighter than where we've been. It's the old that's crumbling, the things that can't stand anymore. As always, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.